Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. I am going to talk to you about some of the things happening this month and the Christmas Pocket Challenge. You're going to love it. 4 pockets, 4 themes, anything that you want to create, any size, any style, any supplies. Just you go for it. Okay, so I'll come back to that. This month, Christmas in July, and we are having a lot of things going on. I hope you can join me all month long, every day. There's going to be content added, whether it's a pocket, a memory, a page, tag, whatever it might be. You will be inspired. I hope so. And so we're going to do all kinds of activities this month. We're going to have one simple Christmas thing. If you missed it, that posted at 6 a.m. So Christmas Pocket Collection, I will be posting 12 different pockets, Christmas themed on Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So don't miss that. Christmas Techniques and Christmas Scrap Rescue. We're going to alternate, and on Mondays, we're going to have a pocket. On Thursdays, we're going to have Christmas Scrap Rescue, or Technique. Not a pocket, a technique. So that will be a fun one. Unexpected craft supply. It's once a month on Fridays, but this month we're moving it to Saturday, and it's going to be every Saturday. So you don't want to miss unexpected craft supply. Tuesday, live crafting, our Christmas Pocket Challenge. Let me get to that. The Christmas Pocket Challenge is themed with around the Christmas tree. The first themed pocket. So you can, as I said just a moment ago, any size, any style, any supplies that you have. You can use the Holly Cottage, Christmas at Holly Cottage kit, which we'll be posting on Saturday. Or you can use whatever papers that you have or whatever you would like. There are themes. So the first one is around the tree. And it's a pocket inspired by your Christmas tree, your ornaments, your lights, your decorating. Then the second one is winter wishes, like your reindeer, your woodland, your snow, your cozy sweaters, woodland creatures. The third theme is visit from Santa. So it could be your stocking, Santa, letters, gifts, the nice and naughty list, the North Pole. And then the fourth one is your Christmas morning. So sort of centered around your stocking, your cocoa, your family, your unwrapping gifts. And so these are the 4 themes. You would create your pockets in your own timeline. You don't have to do one this week and one next week or whatever you would like to do. But just create a pocket for each of the themes and then upload them in my Facebook group. And I have that linked below. Use the hashtag Christmas Pocket Challenge. If you don't use it, I won't know that that's what it's for. And then I will be choosing a winner from all the entries on July 31st when I do my other drawings. And the prize is going to be a fun little mystery packet of Christmas ephemera and stickers. And the 4 pockets that I make to go with the challenge, I'm gifting those as part of the prize. So don't miss out on the Christmas Pocket Challenge. I hope you will participate. As I said also, the Christmas at Holly Cottage is posting on Saturday. Today is Friday. So just a sneak peek at some of the pages that are going to be in the kit. And I hope that you like them, inspired by your vintage look at, at things, and how fun it is to prepare for Christmas like what we're doing. And then don't forget the Christmas planner, which is also going to post on Saturday. Will be 2 sizes, and it will be available for you for free. Holly Cottage will be $4.95, and if you are a Ko-Fi member, it is part of your benefits, and you will have a free version available for you. So I am going to go ahead and make a Christmas tree pocket. I'm going to use this from the kit, and it's sort of a half-page design. So I'm going to make a rather larger pocket, and we're going to just have some fun with this today. I'm actually going to make it 6 inches. So that's about 6 inches right there. And then we're going to cut it to be, so it'll fit on the page just fine. We're going to cut it at, let's do 4 3/4 right there. So that's going to be my pocket base. And then I'm going to take my my circle punch, and I'm going to punch a hole up here at the top, little half circle right there. Okay, and then we're going to take some ink and some lace, and we're going to add it to this pocket. Now I'm just making a simple pocket. That's all you can, you know, create with me. You can make a simple pocket too. That's all right. It's always beautiful to go into your journal. So, simple pocket. We're just going to use some ink. I'm using Vintage Photo. Then we're going to take a little bit of my glitter paste. This is Chunky Glitter Paste, Winter Radiance. Opened it before and I've been using it. So I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger and go over the branches from this tree where my ornaments are hanging. And then we might put just a little on the ornament just to give it that light idea, you know, an idea of a light reflection. So we're just going to take it like this and just do it like that. Kind of has some already on there. So this is going to dry and be really pretty. Look at that sparkle. I love sparkle. And then we're going to take our lace. And my hole is not right exactly in the middle, and that's okay. I don't want anybody to worry. That is okay. So I'm going to take my glue and put some lace here at the top. There we go, and then we can clip off this extra. All right, so I'm going to take a really cute sticker I have and put right there on the edge of my pocket. I really, really like. I'm wondering if I should put one on both sides. Let's see. Do I need to? I think it makes it look finished, don't you? On both sides. Right, nice. Then I have my December 25th, and I don't really have to put anything under it, but I think it would look good with a little bit of something underneath it. So let's do that. Yeah, let's put it right here at the bottom. So I've got a little bit of lace that I cut off of a bit that I had, and then we're going to glue this down right here. And then I think we're going to put just a few little gems to go with these beautiful ornaments that are already hanging. And we don't have to put too many, but just something to bring your eye to it. So maybe one more up here. There we go. And that's a beautiful pocket right there. That's really all you need. And then I have a Santa postcard. Let's see if it'll fit in there when I put it into my journal. But remember, you don't have to finish your journal today. Just do one simple Christmas thing. Make sure you go check out One Simple Christmas Thing. It's going to be fun. Also, there's a prompt sheet available for free for you on my Ko-Fi site. So anyway, please join me for the Christmas Pocket Challenge. And I hope that you will, and I would love to see what you create. Remember, they have to be posted by July 25th, and use the hashtag Christmas Pocket Challenge. Thanks so much for watching. Ask any questions you have below, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. All right, have a great day.